the free rider problem. Exploitation and consumption of a public good without any form of contributions is the free rider problem, right? The idea that I could be the person who's walking along and then I see the bench in the park, right? You know, I see the bench in the park, so I decide that I'm going to sit on there and not pay to sit on it. Now, this is not an issue in the real world, because obviously benches are free to sit on. But if for some reason somebody wanted to try and charge money for people to sit on this bench, I would be a free rider and I would be actively causing the free rider problem here, right? So I would be an active contributor to the free rider problem. And that's the issue that we have at hand, right? That is the issue we have at hand, the free rider problem. So what's the solution? Now, I've made it very simple here, but the point is, right? The solution, the idea is, if we can't separate the users by people who do pay and people who don't pay, we will just charge everybody money, right? So now everybody is forced to pay for the consumption of the good, whether they use it or not. Now, of course, people will, some people, will generally, see this as unfair, but, but many states believe that this method brings more benefit for the larger proportion of the population. Yeah, but it brings more benefit for the larger proportion of the population that through actually being able to provide the good or service. Now, if we were to just give a couple of examples of sort of successful public goods, I feel like the first place I want to jump to is actually the United Kingdom. So, we've got things like the NHS, right? We've got National Rail, and we've got roads. Those are the kind of key points, I think, are sort of the examples of things that are paid for with tax that are used publicly, right?